In this next video tutorial, what we're going to go through is, now that you've created this site, how would I change the look and feel of it, and how could I share it with the outside world. So I selected this template when we created the page, and I'm already bored of it and don't like it. I think it's kind of cluttered. I don't really like this note page. So what I'm going to do is go to More Actions and go to Manage Site. And in Manage Site, we have a bunch of options. Some of these are general options like that we specified when we built the web page in the first place. But then we also have these site appearance options down here at the bottom. And so if I go to site layout, for example, I can change my header. I can put in a logo up there. I can change that sidebar where things are navigated. Right now it automatically, as I create pages, adds them to here. I could exert control over that and unclick automatically organize, and then I can add individual pages. So I can make sure that, you know, I add these pages as they come up, and then I can sort the order that they show up in the list in, and whether or not they are nested underneath another page. In the menu at least. I can also add outside pages, so I could add a link to you know, class website, and again we could use the gis.joewheaton.org and push that over so that that shows up like this. Okay, so there's several options there. I'll go ahead and remove that. And if you want those to be saved after you make those options, you can save them. The other thing with the colors and the fonts, let's say I'm bored of this theme, I can go in here and select from a whole bunch of other themes and try and choose something that, say, I like a little better. So maybe I can try branches. Well, that looks a little cluttered as well. I could even browse for more themes, and there's all sorts of site templates here you can choose from. And I think for now I'll just use this this simple slate theme, and I'll stick with that. So I hit Save Changes, and I return to my site. I can see that I've got this new theme here, and so you can play with this stuff as much as you want, and to get something that you think is effective. Yeah, now if I want to save this with the outside world, I need to basically provide them with a URL so that they can get to this. And so the URL is up here at the top of my address bar, and it's for these sites, the way we're setting them up, it's always going to be sites.google.com, and then it's going to be site, and then whatever the name of the site you used. And so mine was GIS Dummy Class. Yours might be John Doe GIS Class. Just depends on what you named it. And so if I were to provide that link to someone, and they went to a browser and they just copied that in and then hit enter, they would take them into this site. And just to verify right now, because we're signed in, that is coming in with this option across the top. What the outside world would see is a little bit different. So if I sign out here, and I come back and type in that URL, it brings me in, and notice I don't have the options at the top. And that's just fine. I don't want to give people the option to edit my page. I want them just to be able to browse my website. You'll notice at the bottom, though, there are these options, and if you want to sign into your page at any time, you can hit sign in, and then it's just going to simply ask you for your login credentials, which are your Gmail account. I can remember my password here. And there we go, and now I've got that navigation bar across the top. So that's how you share your website, and that's how you can change the look of your website to get credit for those colorful and consistent points. And that's all.